Hey everybody, what's going on? It is 7 Meets Nick here from 7meetsnick.com, bringing you another Windows 7 tutorial. Now this tutorial I'm going to teach you guys how to enable or disable the Windows 7 built-in administrator account. Now the built-in administrator account is an account that has full access and permissions on the computer. This will show you how to enable it or disable it in Windows 7, obviously. By default, the built-in administrator account is named administrator, obviously, and is disabled. If you want to enable this account, it is recommended that you create a password for it to help it keep secured, obviously, too. Now, there are three options that we can go about on enabling the hidden administrator account, which I'm going to show you guys. Actually, I'll probably show you two of the options. Option 1 can be through the local users and groups, but local users and groups are only available for Windows Ultimate and Windows Enterprise, I believe. If you have Windows Starter or Home Premium, I'm sorry, you cannot access the local users and groups. That's why there's another option for almost everybody. So I'm going to start with option 1, through the local users and groups. Now, what you want to do, you want to open the local users and groups manager. If you don't know how to do that, there's the link will be in the description box to the right with the tutorial on my website showing you guys step by step how to do it. Alright, so once you have the local users and groups open, what you want to do is double click on users. And here we are. We have administrator, guest, me, Nick Scola, and I'm not sure what this is. I'm guessing it's a home group user, obviously judging by the name. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to right click the administrator, and I am going to click on properties. Notice I can set a password here just for later reference. So I'm going to go ahead and click properties. And now the administrator properties user will come up. We have a couple of options here. We can type in the full name, the description of the user. We can make it so they cannot change the password can never expire, and the account is disabled or the account is locked. Basically, if you want to enable it, obviously, just go ahead and uncheck account is disabled. If you want to disable it, just go ahead and check account is disabled. Once that's done, what you want to do is go ahead and press apply and OK. So I'm just going to press cancel for now. And so that's how you do it through local users and groups. Now, once you're done with that, you want to log off, and now you'll see the built-in administrator account on the icon added, enabled or removed, disabled from the logon screen. Now, for option 2 is... you bitch, I'm in the middle of the tutorial, and I'm definitely keeping this in here.
What?
Yeah, I'm doing a tutorial right now.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I'm definitely keeping this in there. I'm not taking it out.
My bad.
Alright, so, God damn it, Trooper, you're an asshole. That's the second time it happened to me on my YouTubes. Anyway, option 2, through CMD. Jesus Christ. So yeah, option 2 through CMD, which goes for anybody, even if you're on Home Premium or Windows Starter. So let's go ahead and open CMD. Let me close out of this first. So start, let's type in CMD. There it is. Nope, sorry. CMD will pop up. Let me make it a little bigger right there. Alright. So once CMD is popped up, if you want to make the administrator account enabled, you're going to have to type in the following, or I make it simple for you guys and put it in the description box to the right so you guys can easily copy and paste it. So let me go ahead and type it, so give me a second. Administrator, I think that's how you spell it, right? Yeah. /active, yes. And alright, so once you got that done, just go ahead and press enter, and it'll say the command completed successfully. Now you can easily log off, and you'll see the new administrator account on the logon screen. Now if you want it to disabled, all you have to do is type in the same thing, but instead of yes, just type no. So hang on. No. And press enter. The command completed successfully. If you log off, you'll only see, well, you will not see the administrator account will be temporarily disabled. So that's CMD mode, so I'm just going to close that. And now option 3 is through the local security policy. Now, once again, the local security policy is only available for one's Ultimate, Enterprise, except for Starter and Home Premium. I don't know why they do this, but yeah. Alright, so to open local security policy editor, just go to Start and type in local security. And once that's done, you'll see local security policy. Give it a second to load. Okay, here's the local security policy window. What we want to do, we want to expand the local policies right here. And then once that's done, we want to expand security options. No, we want to click on security options, sorry. And now, first thing you'll see is the accounts administrator account status, and you'll see it's disabled. So, in order to enable it, all you have to do is right-click on this right here where we have highlighted, and just click on Properties. Just choose to enable, and that's it. Apply and OK. And it has a little brief information for the administrator account status. So yeah, that's it. If you wanted to enable it, click it, disable. There you go. Simple enough. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I actually showed you 3 of the ways you can do it instead of 2 like I was planning, but if you guys need any help whatsoever doing this tutorial, please feel free to contact me on YouTube, Twitter. My Twitter is at 7meetsnick. Once again, this episode is brought to you by 7meetsnick.com, where you can find many more tutorials on Windows 7 than on my YouTube channel. So yeah, I guess I'll see you guys later. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and yeah, see you later.